What's going on, guys? I wanted to do a quick video to show you some of the stuff that I'm working on right now. And this is specifically to people that are looking to find or start hiring a virtual assistant. Um, this information is going to be given out to the people that are in automation. So if you're not in automations, you definitely want to get into it because then you won't have to create some of the stuff that I'm already creating. So what it is I created after going through documenting kind of my new format and my new team for my virtual assistants, I realized I needed to add something to that process. And what I added to the process is what's called a virtual assistant uh, application form. Okay, so let's go to that real quick. See if I can pull that up for you so you can see. All right, so let's share. And there we go. So this is the virtual assistant application form. And what happens is I make my post, wherever I'm going to make my post, I have them fill out this application form. It gets in all their information. After they fill out this application form, I have a workflow that's already set up for them, right? And what that workflow does is take them through my onboarding process. So I want to show you that I did this earlier today. You can already see that I have applications for applications for people that have already applied to the position, right? So that's already going on as we speak. So now all I have to do is go in and decide who's going to actually get shortlisted, get an interview, and I'll be able to move on in my process. So that's something that I just wanted to share with everybody. If you're not in the automations course, you definitely want to get in there as quickly as possible because it's always changing. We're always adding stuff. We're always making things a lot easier for you to be able to automate your business, to be able to scale your business, and to be able to grow your business. So definitely get into the automations, Clean Biz University /automations. Get in there now. Talk to you soon. You guys have a great day.